Okay. Yeah. Okay. I should be back on. Sorry about that. I guess I had my volume cut off on me. I didn't expect that. Wow. Yeah, man, my my microphone has been a little sensitive lately. Probably should buy a new one. So, you know what to do, everyone. So who's here? Let me know in the comment section. But I see this. There was a new version just today. I just downloaded it right here, somewhere right here. It came in a tar whatever. I'll open that with Arc. And then, okay, good deal. This is an ISO. We'll extract. Now we're going to go to desktop ISO. Yeah, let's just do that right there. Just fine. And hopefully everyone's doing good. I still haven't heard if you can hear me okay. All right. Well, anyway, now we got that all squared away. We have it all installed and all that good stuff. And look at that crazy hair, man. He is such a cool guy. Um, anyway, I have to respond to a couple of comments because I've been getting a lot of comments, and actually not a lot, just a few. I just want to respond to them real quick before I get started. Just I gotta clear the air. So there's one really new. Oh, supposedly there's a new. Wait, what? What? Hold on, hold on. Oh, okay. Live viewer. Oh, right. So got one live viewer here. Okay, that's what it was. I thought I had like a comment. Let's see here. So someone says GNOME is horrible. So I basically had a short that basically said that GNOME is horrible. I do elaborate on the in the real video. Reason some personal beef with the devs I don't elaborate on. Yeah, it isn't a subjective take. It's a very objective take, but maybe you might go back to school for that one. Um, just because on my short, which is what, like 30 seconds long or whatever, I don't really elaborate on it. Okay. And GNOME is a horrible desktop, by the way, if you were just in case you were wondering where I stand on this. I hate the GNOME desktop. I hate the GNOME devs. Not all of them. I think there are some really reasonable GNOME devs, so please don't misunderstand, but there are a few that really ruin it. Okay. So, you know what? I still say that Manjaro needs to die. I'm not going to recant my statement. And I've been repeating myself 1,000 times because people don't actually watch the video to see why I say it shouldn't exist. So basically the guy says, this is a skill issue video. Let me tell you something. I'm a software engineer. I can code a little bit. And I can tell you this, if you worked in any other industry other than the software industry and you go, oh, it's a skill issue, somebody's probably liable to punch you in the face. It's not really recommended to say people, hey, you got a skill issue. It's not recommended. Yeah, people will probably punch you in the face. Just just saying. You haven't heard about this distro, huh? Which one, Manjaro? Yeah, I haven't either. I think that's why I thought it should die. People, somebody said a while ago that I incorrectly set up user permissions in groups or whatever it is called. In fact, I didn't because I didn't set that up. The distro sets it up automatically. What I did with the void, and it surprised me, is that it used to be that a net install and the manual install, they both would work equally, but right now they don't. The net install will give you some troubles, and the troubles that I was experiencing. All right, what is this? What what about AGPL version 3? I don't know. I don't even remember what this video is about, to be honest. I mean, I made that video a year ago. Or how long ago? No. I made that video a year ago. Don't ask me what I recorded a year ago. The only one I remember is like the Manjaro Please Die. So somebody really likes Solaris here. Wow. I should take a look at Solaris on my it would take me probably like maybe a few days to kind of, be able to navigate it properly, but I think I should probably do it. That'd be pretty cool. All right. Nothing more to see. All right. So anyway, I do have some more videos coming. I just doing live streams takes away a lot of time, and also like the coding and all of that take a lot of time. So sorry about that. That's the only reason why I have a few videos coming out here within the next couple of days. Let's get into it, shall we? All right. I'm excited for this one. Yeah, and it looks like Benji's excited too, huh? Did you take off already? I think I can go ahead and yeah, let's just go ahead and get rid of that. And okay, we said Gentoo Linux, right? That's all. I just have to remember what derivative this is. All right, let's take a look here. All right, Mocaccino. I hope this works, man. Because I put all my eggs in the basket thinking this will work. So if it doesn't even work, I'm going to be pissed. Gentoo Linux. Oh, you're still here. Good. All right. Hey, and I'm on Twitch. Yeah, I'm really excited too. And I thought, I don't even know what side. Let's just say 30, just to be on the safe side. All right. I think we're good here. Yeah. Oh, kind of scared me there for a minute. We have sys Linux on here. Um, hmm. Okay. So let's see here. Let's do 1920. Oh, they want you to enter in a number. Um, all right. Oh, I can't. Hmm. All right. No problem. I'm going to try this 390. That looks like that might work. All right. Wow. Interesting. I've never had a distro do that. Like, hey, what resolution do you want? Little on the slow side, but I only allocated 6 CPUs, so I don't expect much. All right. I am so excited about this, though. Okay. Welcome to Sino. Interesting. Very interesting. All right. I've heard about this distro. I heard about it a long time ago. So I remember when Sabian went away, they were all talking about how, what was going to replace Sabian, which I think Sabian was a much better. Mocaccino is a pretty cool name, but Sabian, it's mysterious. All right. Hopefully. All right. Wow. There we go. Hey, we got an arrow, guys. You've not, huh? Where have you been? Yeah. All right. This is a very slow. I thought they were going to give me my resolution, but apparently not. Um, wait, where are we? Settings, manage, display. Wow. Not even close. Supply that. Keep this configuration. All right. So we got XFCE, not the GNOME desktop. I swear, like, I wish distro maintainers, I wish they would just stop shipping with the GNOME desktop. Leave it to just like Ubuntu and Fedora and see how long, GNOME survives. Mark it secure and launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That didn't launch, did it? Oh, it did. Okay. Nice installer. Ooh. Hey, it's got your favorite installer, Ben. I still prefer the Incursus installer personally. Oh, let's go back. I don't want to swap. 8 GB of swap? Are you? Hold on. Screw it. I don't care. All right. We're gonna say Mocaccino. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if Darren is around. He must have saw that game yesterday. I'm sad. There we are. Pretty easy to install. I'll tell you, I'm licking my wounds today. That was a hard loss. But it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Hopefully you win more than you lose, right? Yeah. Wow, this is gonna take a while. So, what is everybody up to? Yeah. Wow. Says, welcome to Mocaccino OS. Fast, lightweight, and yours. So let's see if this lives up to the hype, shall we? Yeah. I wanted to do a coding. Yeah, it is. But it's Gentoo, buddy. What do you expect? It probably takes it probably is going to take an hour. Golly slow install, huh? Yeah. Now what do you expect? It's Gentoo. It's probably going to take 2 hours to install. All right. Mm, we got to see about Linux Grandpa here. Oh, All right. All righty. So anyway, where's Isak? Isak should be here. He usually is here. The Linux thing. All right. This thing that's called Linux. I swear, I wish I would have thought of the name DistroTube. That was pretty epic. Of course, I don't know. I just you know I guess I didn't. So I guess Linux Grandpa is still sleeping. But anyway, yeah, it's very slow. Let's see how many people are on my stream right now. I'm thinking. Oh, I got a reply. Oh no, I didn't. I thought I did. Oh, there's Gentoo. Speak of the devil. Oh, we got a ping issue. All right. Ooh, we got a lot of viewers now. Who's all with me, man? This is nice. 9 concurrent viewers. 8, 11. Okay, I got 9 right now. Wow. Oh, I got 12. Hey, how's everybody doing, man? Leave me a comment. Brian, how are you? All right. Very good. I waved back. Very good. We got 12 concurrent viewers. I don't remember the last time I had 12 concurrent viewers, but I'm happy about it. Let's see. Let's see how I am doing in Twitch. I know I'm not doing as well, but maybe I'll have 2 or 3. That would make me really have 1. Okay. That's decent. Oh, somebody else followed me here about 15 minutes ago. All right. And I think I know who. I think that's Isak. Ikar 88. Isak, eres tú? All right. Who else is in the chat, man? Blow it up. We're like waiting on this super slow. Wow. 14 concurrent viewers. Oh, praise the Lord and pass the biscuit. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Hey, we're crawling, man. We have 14%. Wow. Okay. This is so awesome. Man, I knew this was going to, I thought this would hit. Sorry about the barking dog outside. If I could shut it up, I would. It's my neighbor's dog, and I don't know, they just don't know anything about, whatever. Anyway, we're waiting. So anyway, yeah, let me know how you all are doing. And welcome to my video on MocaccinoOS. All right. It does take a long time. All right. I might play a little guitar while we wait, huh? Should I play a little guitar? Somebody's got to leave it. Somebody's got to comment. They want me to play a little guitar. All right. This is because this is gonna take forever. All right. So I gotta take that and that off. All right. Mm-hmm. I guess nobody wants to. Oh, I guess nobody wants me to play guitar. All right. Yeah, I hope everybody's doing well on this stream. We're gonna play a little guitar. I don't know what I'll play, but I'll play something. Hmm. There we are. All right. Good. There we go. Yeah. Ah, let me concentrate a little bit on this. All right. Also, I need to hear it. All right. Uh-oh. Oh, that didn't take nearly as long as I thought. Oh, how long has this been going on? All right, let's take a look at it. Here we are. Let's take a look at our subpar distro. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Or not. All right, let's take a look. Let's see. We have XFCE. XFCE set. Hey, I want some XFCE Wayland. Wonder if that works. I doubt it. All right, let's take a look at this. Let me put on my filters back on. Make my voice sound a little bit better. All right, let's take a look. Oh, man. Now KDE version, huh? Oh, yeah, KDE is... I have mixed feelings about KDE. I think it's actually a better desktop, but I actually still like XFCE more, slightly more. But perfect. All right, let's see what we got here for the money. See what's out of the box. We all right. Well, we got what's the terminal app XFCE? Sonar, no doubt. What's the mail reader? Oh, doesn't have one. Good. Why you have it on your menu if you don't have it? And I don't think it has a browser. Does it come with a browser? Oh, it comes with Mozilla, but probably isn't. Okay, no problem. Oh, just a late response. That's all. Oh, and oh, hey, that's pretty cool. It comes out with MocaccinoOS. I didn't want to like have like this thing, you know. Yeah, very good. Let's see here. I just want to take a second and get right back to the video. I promise. Just want to see. Oh, some people dropped off. Hey, that's still pretty cool. Oh, oh, I could understand that. I know a lot of people who have that problem. One of my best friends, she uses Windows, which I cringe, but she uses Windows for the same reason because she's blind. She has type 1 diabetes. Yeah. Yeah. A very good friend of mine indeed. All right. Well, we got all the XFCE garbage. Oh, we got QT6. Wow. What? Why? I don't know. Maybe because it's popular. Ristorado image viewer. Mozilla. Roll. I don't. Oh, Fanon. Is that the? I can't even remember what Fanon is. That'll take a second to open, I think. All right, and we have Pavu control. We have B top, folks, instead of H top. Interesting. Do they have to compile it from source? All right, we got Gparted. We have printer stuff. We have task manager. Thunar, of course. And of course, we have to have extra. Ugh, look at that. That's like horrible. Like, why would you have exterm anyway? Let's take a look at the documentation. I've never installed anything or done anything or anything. Bloat package manager. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. Well, let's start off doing what we're supposed to do, right? Ooh, nice transparent, semi-transparent background. Okay, sudo bloat repo update. My super uncomplicated password. Oh, yeah. So anyway, who else is in the chat, man? It's like everybody's like snoozing or whatever. Very interesting. Okay. All right. So I should be able to search, right? Yeah. Okay, so it's like a regex type thing. All right. So we'll search for a package. So like let's say sudo bloat search Brave. Let's see if it has Brave browser. Because I think only Pudwhackers use Firefox these days, right? I shouldn't say that. No results? What the? So there's no like if no Brave. Yeah, nothing. All right. How about NeoVim? Yeah, I prefer XFCE too. I do, but I have to admit, like, okay, okay, so I might have to install this from source. All right. What is, give me a good what we come up with. Ooh, okay, so we have flat packs. All right. Oh, snap. So I'll bet you. Okay. Sudo let let's let's say search apps Brave. Let's see. Wonder if 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. All right. So all right, let me see. Well, this is interesting. So far, I haven't found anything that. Let's look at the repository. Oh, okay. So I was right. So this is going to be. All right. So let's see here. Why? Oh, I know how to do that. I want to see if there's a good. All right. Wow. What the hell? This is. These are. What the hell is this? I'm gonna see what I'm looking for. God. I don't care. Oh, Google has become such a disappointment. Let's see if maybe if I can. Oh, now it's freezing on me. This is good. Oh, come on, man. You got to be kidding me. Let me see. No, I should be fine. Oh, come on. Oh, this is no good. I'll just reset it. Hopefully, hopefully it survives a hard reset. I don't have patience. Ah! All right, let's see. Good. I need to change this wallpaper, man. Oh, now we got it. All right. Okay. Let's see if I can figure out this desktop. All right. Let's cancel. I'm gonna try here. Oh. So, okay, so they have some. Take a look at this. Okay, so now I am finding something. Apps Kitty. That's okay. Let's try that. Sudo let let me make that a little bit bigger. Sudo let install apps kitty. How about that? See how long it takes to install. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, I sure do. Now hurry up and install it. We got some file conflicts, folks. Wow, that's interesting. All right. All right. Here we are. And this is going to take a second. Okay. We got 6 viewers. Who's all on the chat? Let me just hit me up. Say oi. Take a look at Twitch. I have a couple concurrent viewers or something. Just curious. Okay. We got 21 followers now. I think Isak is around. Say something nice. Oh, I probably should turn on my hold on. Anyway. All right. So let's see here. I wonder if I just said Neovim. Oh, okay. So it just their search feature sucks. That's all. All right. No problem. Hmm. No, it doesn't have kitty. Okay. Does it have something like Western? Let's see. Hmm. All righty. So I got that leaves me with another question. So now layers is for the desktop. Okay. Repositories. Huh. Oh, I see. No problem. All right. Building packages locally. Oh, this is interesting. But I'm surprised Neovim isn't on there, but that's interesting. We have whale brew. That's interesting. Okay, so we have utils. So would okay. Would it be utils neovim. This documentation really kind of sucks. No, no utils. The only reason why I thought might be okay. Hey buddy, I want to make some snap images. This has system D on it? Oh man. Hey, I think we need to go home already. This has system D on it. Like this is like a poser type distribution, I think. Oh. All right, let's look at packages. Let's find out. Ooh, there we go. Search for, how about NeoVim? Well, we do. Okay. NeoVim. From an older version. All right, this is good. It says apps NeoVim, but I tried that already. What if I just tried NeoVim? Maybe I got to. All right. Supposedly, let's browse. Let's see. Oh, oh. Supposedly I have it, but I don't. Oh, Mocaccino community stable. All right. Okay, so maybe I need to hold on here. I think I saw something. Let's go back to repositories. So let's see here. I think I just have to. Oh shoot! I hate this. All right. All right. Let's try this. Update. Does that do anything? Um, Oh, I can just do this. Okay. So let's try this then. Let's see if I can. It's under something else. It's here. It's going to show me. This documentation isn't that great, but mm, is there like okay? We have something like that maybe. All right, let's see. All right, let's try this. Sudo what upgrade. Try that. We might be like behind or something because this just doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Ooh, no problem. Nothing to upgrade. Good. All right. I bet you anything. I'm expected to restart the terminal emulator for. I bet you that's what it is. Huh. Interesting. Watch. Now I'm gonna go to the tab. So if I said sudo lit stop apps, let's no, no NeoVim, folks. Even though supposedly in this package, what was the package that they said that they? Let's look for NeoVim again. NeoVim community. All right. Let's see here. Commons. Commons. Oh, I bet you that's it right there. So this is part of the community. So if I said something like so we're going to be The community, what? Stable or? There we go. I figured it out. All right, here we are. And we're checking for conflicts, guys. All right. All right, I think we're doing good now. We're gonna get a lot of be able to basically analyze some things here. Okay, so sudo bloat repo update. Okay, we got community. Oh, all right. This documentation is the worst for like if someone was new to Linux, this would be painfully hard to figure out. But I think for like someone who has like 6 or 8 months of experience, it would be okay, I guess. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that was confusing me too. Yeah. All right, now here we are. So let's just. Oh no. Stop. Sorry. I already know the answer to that. I already saw it. All right, here we are. That looks promising. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Let's didn't take a second. All right. Wow, why is that taking so long? Okay, we're all right. I'm actually not. I don't know if I would or not. I probably wouldn't, but I might, like, I don't know if I wouldn't try this. It just, their documentation's a little backwards, but like, I think everything else runs pretty good. I don't like the fact that, like, Gentoo comes with OpenRC it by default. So, like, maybe have the choice of like which init system you'd like to choose. Um, but it was wait, do I even know that's true? Because I remember I was talking about System 5. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, this is interesting. Legit. Ooh, we got NeoVim, guys. So we can just go like that. There we go. That's a pretty new version. I mean, it's not like the nightly version. I think we're on like 12.2 right now. Something like that. Mm. So yeah, not too bad. I don't mind this. So like I don't mind, having to kind of figure things out. Um but yeah. Yeah, I all right. Yeah, I imagine. So now let's take a look at right. So I think that's, oh, I see how this, so they're, wow. So let's take a look at this a little bit because from what I understand, let's take a look. I think this is an immutable desktop. Hmm, interesting. Today. All right, that's the blog. Hey, we're la. Hmm. Wonder if, like, it really doesn't talk about. Oh, I see. It uses containers to build packages. Focus on minimalism, small footprint, ease of use. So, okay, so everything. Wow. So this is actually very similar to the distro that I'm currently using, which is Aurora. It's kind of similar in a lot of ways. Like they're making use of a lot of the cloud technologies and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really interested in seeing a little bit more about this. Mm, we can build. Oh, okay. Okay, so some of them use run it. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Ooh, this is a little problematic. Are you seeing this? So from Ubuntu. So what is happening? We're telling Docker we want our image to start from the Ubuntu core image, which is a very small and extremely lean. Then we're telling Docker run these commands inside the Docker setup. You mean to tell me this is like a Ubuntu thing? Wow. You, that's interesting. Wow. So actually, this is very similar to what I was looking at earlier. with making Arch Linux, um, making Arch Linux, what do you call it? Um, like immutable, but also being able to write to root. Hmm. Interesting. So this is definitely so they're using Docker to build the ISO image, and then using um, calamares to pull it. So this is very much. This is exactly what a lot of immutable systems do. Very interesting. All right. I just wanted to see, like, you know, I wanted to see, and then like here you could do something like this, which is flat packs. Okay. So flat pack's really easy to install. Have Waydroid, Burp Manager, all the goodies. And we have Whale Brew, which is interesting. So this is basically homebrew, but for Docker images. I'm curious. Let's just see what this does. My super uncomplicated password. This is gonna take a while, but this is really interesting. I, didn't know that this even existed, but very cool. How was everyone's weekend? See how many people do I have on chat? 'Cause it's gonna be a while. Got one here, and I have 7 or 8. Oh right, but everybody's so quiet today, man. Like, is it like one of those? I think Darren is licking his wounds. It's so quiet. Uh, I thought Linux Grandpa would be here. Very good. Let's see here. Go on to Discord, see if he's woke up yet. I swear that game yesterday would have about drove me to drink, but I was actually going to stream this video while I watched the game. Oh yes, Linux Grandpa. Yeah, he was a little confused. Pissed me off. It was a good. Mm, yeah, Yeah, he's mad that Pete Carroll is no longer the head coach, but I mean, seriously, like when things, when I mean, I think Pete has sound fundamentals, but whatever. You're hyper focused. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, I see. Yeah, Pete's definitely a good guy. Um, like seriously, like that's a guy you'd have a beer with, right? Like I think so. I'd have a beer with Pete Carroll. I don't know if he drinks. I doubt it, but just saying. But anyway, all right, we're gonna continue with this. Boy, son, working on Gentoo, huh? Well, I got 7 people here who just want to like come over here and like snooze or something. They don't even want to talk anymore. Like I used to have people like chat it up on the like, and you know what's funny is like when I leave for like 1 week, they're like, "Where'd you go?" All right, now we have will brew, and so how do I? Okay, so it's really easy. Just go will brew install will brew vim. Oh, this is why. Hold on, it's a sudo issue. Oh, I probably. Oh, right. Okay, so sudo system enable Docker. Oh, okay. So now we need to sudo fluid install Docker. I don't know where it comes from. Don't really care. Would have thought it would have like done all that automatically when I installed Whale Brew, but all right. Anyway, yeah, I'm sad about my sea chickens. They lost yesterday. Darren saying he didn't watch it, but I know damn good and well he watched that game. Jesus. Ugh. Oh. All right. All right. All right. Let's see your. You know damn good and well. So, all right. Let's see. Do we say apps or groups or what? Docker. Oh, there it is. That's why. Okay, it is installed. System D. Wait, sorry. Sudo D enable Docker. Oh, right. No, all right. So it isn't. Okay. Yeah, that would be a good one. Yeah. Okay. Why doesn't it tell me like if it's apps or whatever? This is oh, here it is. It's container. Okay. There we go. Uh yeah, Arch with OpenRC would be kind of cool. I need to yeah. Oh, all right. It seems like everybody's just snoozing today though. Man, did you guys go drinking last night or what? You didn't invite me? Oh, oh. Okay, hold on. And I actually okay. Wonder if everybody just went drinking last night. Yeah, like I get like a lot of people watching and stuff, but like nobody wants to like talk to me, man. Like what the hell? I'm all sad. Only 2 likes to my video, man. Everybody's gotta like at least like my video or something. Like, come on, man. That's no good. Also, man, like hit that tip jar. Come on. All right. I don't think I can do this right now. No, because it was this one that I was supposed to. All right. So it was entity docker. All right. What do you mean, what? Not easy. Oh, I'm not talking to you. Minnie, I mean, you got like, you've been talking to me this whole time. I'm not talking to you. Obviously. I got 10, I got approximately 10 people in the chat and nobody wants to talk. Like, I think everybody's like hungover from the weekend or something. 'Cause, like, this is actually a very interesting. Now, now we go. We get this one. No? Oh, pseudo. Um, show unit. What is it? I'll think of it in a minute. Somebody's hit me up on Discord. All right. I'm done with that. I'm trying to think. List unit files. List unit. Gotta have something with Docker in it. Buzz. Okay, nothing there. Oh, we got ZFS on this. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, I don't think we got anything. No Docker, so that's interesting. But I think now, uh, let's see. How do I get the Docker daemon running here? Um, oh, I see. So, all right. Is that the, so do I install that with, that's a package. Well, all right. Let's see here. Oh, it won't do that, huh? Oh, yeah. So, I guess I'm not really like it just takes a little bit of like getting used to, but I think actually this will be okay. I just so we're gonna do sudo install docker d d service docker. All right. Yeah, I'll tell you this though. I actually don't mind this. I know probably some other people are losing their mind right about now, but the simple fact is that like a lot of these kinds of distros that are a little different, the only thing I would say is that it just needs better documentation. Um, but I think this is okay. But yeah, this is definitely not like a hand holding session here. I think I just figured it out. Yeah. I just wanted to see what it would take to get like some of these things. Um, what socket? No. Well, I think you have quite a bit of control. Yeah, I would probably tend to agree, but all right. So this Mhm. It should just be. All right. So let's see here. It says now it should have something for Docker, right? Docker service. All right. So it's just Docker. There you go. I think we got it now. It is now. Oh, right. Enable. Let's start it. Continue this. All right. I think we got it now. Denied because it's okay. Sudo. There we go. Yeah. Wow. So now we have FFmpeg. Let's take a look. It should be in multimedia or something. I might have to log out and log back in. I'm just wondering if it shows up here or not. Yeah, let's log back out and log back in, maybe. Oh, right. Okay. Very good. All right. All right. Okay, so I do have FFmpeg. If I said this right here. Oh, FFmpeg. Right. So sorry. I have so like if I said right. Hold on. I'm being an idiot. Which okay, so like FFmpeg. Oops, sorry. All right, sudo ffmpeg. Peg. All right. Now I would just have to like figure out like what I want my options and stuff to be. Okay. So if I said, for example, I said sudo whale brew install um, okay. Yeah, I'm not that far behind you. So like say like VLC. No. All right. Um let's see here. How about Western? No. I'm already locked into Docker. What's a good something? Oh, okay, yeah. Like let's try rip grep. Rip grep or RG. I don't remember. Like, let's go back here. Let's go to my web browser. So we do have ffmpeg installed, so that's good. Let's see here. Oh, that's what it was. So, so if I said will brew mpeg, maybe that would work. Oh, right. So say like LC. No. All right. Well, Western. No. Hmm. Interesting. All right. How about rip grep? JQ. There we go. How about FCF? Oh, no FCF. All right. Interesting. So we kind of did some things here. Um, very interesting. Distro. I would actually like to play around with this some more, maybe in the future. I know a lot of people don't like the containerized stuff sometimes. But actually, it's not that bad. I know probably some people are like, "What do you mean? It's like the worst." It's not. It really isn't. Like Ubuntu is the worst, right? Ubuntu is the absolute worst. All right, but just messing around with this is not bad. Um, I could literally do this for. I mean, I could live in this forever. Um, I should probably. Oh, you know what? I know what I can do. Actually, you know what? I've changed my mind. Changed my mind. Desktop environment. Let's go here. I think this is gonna be cool. All right, guys. I don't want KDE Plasma because I think that's a Pudwhacker distro. Straight up, like if I'm getting offensive, it's very much intentional. I really don't care what people think. I I definitely want people to know that I hate some of these distros. All right, so I already have Kitty installed. All right, I wonder if it has like if anyone has installed my favorite desktop environment on this. That'd be that would be very cool. All right, we're gonna continue this operation. I don't like Hyperland any more than I like GNOME, but oh, I do actually. I'm not that mean. I do like Hyperland. I just there's some quirks with Hyperland that I don't know, man. Yeah. Well, we got the Trinity desktop, everyone. That's the one I should be checking out, huh? Should be checking out the Trinity desktop. Yeah. Let's go ahead and I wonder if they have like a just a this will be very interesting. Yeah, Hyperland. I don't know what that is, but let's try it. What's the worst that can happen? Gotta restart? Yeah. Alright, let's take a look at Hyperland. I don't even think most of the Wayland crap is installed. Oh? Oh, okay. And I don't know what your terminal commands are. Um, Alright, so it's set to install Hyperland QUtils or something like that. Ah, yeah. This distro definitely doesn't hold your hand by any stretch of the imagination. Uh, but it is what it is, I suppose. All right, let's go here to the internet. And, wow, very interesting. Wow. Anyway, before I get going too far here, just see here. Probably everybody fell off already. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, like 5 people. Cool, cool. Anyway, let me know how everyone's doing. Looks like people are really enjoying this, so that's good. Uh, some people decided they didn't want to watch this, but that's their prerogative. Oh, I got 3 likes now. Mm, all right. I think not a lot of people really like this distro particularly, but I have to say I disagree. Like I'm not gonna say I really like it. Like I wouldn't go that far, but it's not a terrible distro. I mean, I think Ubuntu is a terrible distro. I think Red Hat Linux is a terrible, um, just terrible for Linux in general, in a lot of ways. I don't think this is a terrible distro. Yeah, not in the least. So anyway, yeah, I do not think this is terrible. So anyway, all right. So we need to be taking a look at a little something something. Let's go to packages. go to Hyperland. All right. Yeah, I know. I think this is better designed than Ubuntu though. This isn't that bad. I the part that's bad, Ben, is the documentation. The actual like nuts and bolts actually go together pretty good. You know, if I'm being honest with myself, I thought this was going to be worse than it is. I didn't know how I was going to get along, only because it's been a while since I used Gentoo. Like, oh, you disagree? Oh no, man, my feelings are hurt. Ah, all right, no, but I thought actually I was going to struggle more than I did. So, not really. I don't think. Oh, I see here. So we have the repository index. I'm starting to get this now. We have the community stable, desktop. See here. I know I have. Okay. Here's like the extra repository. Right. No, I don't think this is not terrible. I can think of things that are terrible. Um, it would take me, this would take me like 3 days to get used to, probably, to where I could get around and you'd run anything but this, including Ubuntu. Oh my God, that's bad. Oh man, there's no pleasing you, man. Man, I must have done a really bad job because I honestly like if I got it up and running and I cut my teeth on this for about 2 or 3 days, I would have it all figured out and I would just be like in and out. You know, I remember when I did OpenSUSE and I actually thought I was going to hate that one too, but it actually was fine. Yeah. So, yeah, there's just a lot of things that, a lot of the problem with this whole problem is just the documentation. So you have to figure out they're not going to hold your hand. But if you know that, then it takes, you know, then you just have to mess with it, you know, for 2 or 3 days. And then, so, yeah. Then you just have to get used to how they did do their documentation. But I don't see it problematic. Yeah. I mean, maybe some people do. I think it's, I think it's fine. We got Qtile, man. Let's see if we can install. Ooh, I like that. I like this. Yeah. You don't like what? Having to fuss with things? Yeah. I can see that. Oh, this is the Wayland version. So probably won't work very well. I'm not. Okay. Interesting. So this is either going to be layers or desktop. So let's try it. I'd actually rather run Qtile anyway. Sudo bloat install desktop Qtile. Let's say it doesn't exist. You prefer more handheld? Oh, come on, Ben. I mean, you figured out the calamari's thing. Like that's not exactly hand holding. I don't care about having my hand held. As long as I don't have to do unnecessary fussing with things. Like there's some distros I don't like when something's stupid, right? I'll give you an example. Like when you install, for example, not found. That's what I was afraid of. But here we go. I think this will be it. If not, then it'll be like, how do you? Oh, it is. It's layers Qtile right here. Jesus, I should just look right here. No further. Actually, I, I don't know if I like it or not. Though, to be honest, like, just because something's hard at first doesn't mean I don't like it. Like, it has to make sense. Like the other day when I was messing, I guess it's been a few months now. When I was, yes, I do. The other day when I was messing, I guess it was a while ago. I was messing with Void Linux, and I installed the net install, and then like um all the packages in my root file were owned by root. Like to me that's stupid. Like can I can I um can I give myself user privileges? Yes, I can. That's not the point. That's just stupid. Now if I do a regular install, that doesn't happen. So yeah. Well, I think maybe this is a good distro for me to cut my teeth on a little bit and just show people how to like get things done on it. Just because I think actually if people saw like that it was like that you would after 3 or 4 days kind of figure it out, then I don't think it would be that big of a deal. But all right, let's go ahead and let's log out. I'd rather use Qtile than Hyperland any day of the week. And like, come on, man, really? Kill all XFCE4. Ugh, I don't remember how to do that. But kill all XFWM4 export. There we go. I should be. So reboot this fucker. Come on. I don't like that. Oh, there we are. That just took way too long. All right, let's try us a Qtile. I don't even know if I want Wayland. I don't know if I like that way crap. All right, here we are. All right, looking good. Wow. Well, we have something. So can I do like X render? Yeah. So we got X render mode. No. Output virtual one set. Did. Mode. There we go. All right. So what is this? Very good. And then I could just set it up. We got Qtile, folks. Not too bad. Yeah. I don't know how you ever got into Arch Linux, man. Because when I started using Arch Linux, what, 12 years ago, like there was no hand holding. You know, nobody held your hand. And in fact, there was only one tutorial that I could find on how to install Arch Linux. That's why I made a tutorial. And then DistroTube did a tutorial, and I was actually on his live stream. I don't remember. I think I was just chatting with him on the live stream, though, kind of like you are right now. But like this isn't bad. It's just some things are a little different, and so like, and people have reasons, right? People have reasons why they do things differently. They have different needs. Um, but and then at the end of the, like, I think when you you are able to just like get behind the thought process of what they're thinking, then it's not too bad. It's like, you know, distros like this though that have really crap, and I'll be the first to admit this is some crappy documentation, but I mean it's not the worst. I mean, like, oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, I see. Some so if I held your hand, you might actually check this out. Is that what you're saying? Hey, how is our buddy Matthew? Is he okay? Is he doing better? I haven't heard from him like forever, so I'd really like to, I wouldn't mind talking to him, just kind of show he's got a friend here. So, but I'm sure he's got like a million things on his mind. I just, that probably be the only thing that I wanted to know is that, or would want him to know is that he's got a friend. I anytime, anytime he just wants to just hang out or whatever. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'm thinking about him a lot. Anyway, not much. You don't talk to him much. Yeah. All right. So, oh yes. So anyway, so yeah, I'll hold your hand through the process then, Ben. I don't think this is a terrible distro at all. I mean, Crux Linux is going to be way worse. Like, I guarantee you. I could use this very easily. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Well, we we got uh we got somewhere today. Learned a little bit. Yeah, blood cancers is tough. Yeah. Yeah. I think hopefully he's doing a little bit better, and yeah, I wouldn't mind yeah, I wouldn't mind at least just sitting down and chatting with him sometime. Not Linux related, just see how he's doing and that sort of thing. Yeah, Crux is infinitely worse in so many ways, not just the installation. Like this at least, like I kind of feel like I learned a little something here. So anyway, yeah, I would just like to just talk to him one on one and see what he's doing. So um, yeah, just relay the message that you know I wouldn't mind talking with him, just seeing how he's doing. If you would, I don't talk to him. I tried to kind of invite myself onto his Discord, but it wouldn't allow me to. So um, anyway, he seems like he's a really good guy, though. So anyway, yeah. And all the people who didn't leave a comment, man, are you serious? Like, so Ben, I'm not talking about you, obviously. All right, we still have 5 people on here. So hey, let me know. Would you actually use this, or did you enjoy this? Yes, please do. Please let him know. Um, yeah, did you guys enjoy watching this, or me, watching me get wrecked? Yeah, please. And again, Ben, yeah, please let him know. I'm, you know, just it was kind of like we were kind of getting to know each other, and then he just kind of disappeared out of my Discord. And you know I thought he was, I think he's kind of a, I think he's a nice guy. So um yeah, anyway, I got a few people here. um wow, 7 people are on here right now. So anyway, leave me a chat or something quick. Oh, I know. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, I actually kind of learned a little something today. And so I think anytime that I learn about something that I didn't know about before, I think that's just a positive, just a net positive in general. And I learned a little bit about this distro because I tried calculate a while ago, and I kind of struggled with that one. I didn't struggle with this at all. Um, Not really. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. Cancer is one of those things, man. I'll tell you. One of my best friends from junior high, he was the coolest guy. He was the kind of guy that his name was Kirk. And Kirk, he was one of these guys where he had this amazing ability where if if he found out you were moving, he'd pack his kids in his truck and he'd be at your front door in about 5 or 10 minutes, uh, trying to give you a hand. Like he helped anybody. And a few years ago, well, I remember like he was 42 years old and I was about 45 at the time, something like that. And I got news that he had passed away. I knew he had cancer. He got cancer um, working as a firefighter, and yeah, it hit pretty close to home. I remember I was working here in Mexico. I was working at a hotel, and I saw it on Facebook, and I just started sobbing. He was a really good friend of mine. I don't cry like that, man. But there's every once in a while you have one of those friends where you they touch your life a little bit. And Kirk, with no doubt, was that guy. Anyway, not to get like too personal or anything. I just, sometimes, it just, people, um, it's nice to know like that, like when you're navigating these things, that you have friends around, people that, you can, talk to or whatever. It's nice. Anyway, yeah, let him know that, I wouldn't mind talking to him. I'd really like it actually. And you know what? Tomorrow's promised to no man. I'll tell you what. And every day I'm alive, I get reminded of it. When on my 49th birthday, one of my best friends, he's actually the reason why I wound up in Mexico. When I was in Job Corps, I was 19 years old, and he was this ex gang leader that became a Christian. He took me to the Spanish church, and so I started learning Spanish. And it was just something that somehow just happened. I still to this day I don't. Anyway, on my 49th birthday, I found out that he had passed away a few months earlier, and I had no idea of it. And it was, it really hit me. He was just a little over a year older than me. He was he was two like it was two. He passed away 2 months before his 50th birthday, and I mean I'm gonna turn 50 in about 5 months. I think. Yeah, that is that's disconcerting. So tomorrow's promised to no man, and I'll tell you, get it right with God before it's too late. Whatever else you do, That's probably the most important thing. Get it right with God. Um, and God has been so good to me. And if I could ever leave any piece of advice, my worldly advice doesn't amount to much. Get it right before God, because, and everything else is just pretty much is, you know, like pretty much everything else is pretty much not that important. But make your at least make your peace with God. Like a lot of people struggle with the whole idea of God, and I totally get it. I've had my struggles with it, and believe me, I've tried to like run away from God so many times in my life, and I'll just say it this way: the I get like if somebody says I can't believe in God or I can't whatever it is. Anyway, I'm rambling, but just make your peace with God, if nothing else. And I think you'll be surprised, like if you can, because I think that people see all the bad things that are in the world and they have a hard time believing that there's any being out there that cares about them. And I get it, but make your peace with God. That's probably the most important thing out of all the universe, and that's probably my secret sauce to my life, is just the simple fact that I made my peace with God a while ago, like a long time ago. And it's been great. It's been the best thing that ever happened to me. So anyway, I'm off my pulpit, I promise. Anyway, yeah, when we're talking about like really hard things that people face, cancer and things like that, it's tough, you know. And I've known I I've known of Matthew for over 10 years, and I've talked to him a few different times over the years. I talked to him online 9 or 10 years ago, and I talked to him just recently from a Manjaro video that I put out where I said Manjaro shouldn't exist, and oh, he had a lot to say about it, which I don't blame him. He was a contributor, and I think they didn't really like him that much. So anyway, hopefully, hopefully I'll be able to talk to him pretty soon. So anyway, um, just I want to take this time to thank Isak, Scrub Ghost, and Russell. Without their support, this show wouldn't be possible. And if you would like to buy me a cup of coffee, don't hesitate. I really appreciate any help that I can get. And I will see you very, very, very soon. I won't be here tomorrow, I don't think, but I will be here Wednesday with another pithy live stream. And we'll do this again. So, anyway, take care, everybody. Cheers. God bless. I'm out of here.